Now I am going to teach you how to use our application, which is CIT Navigation. The content of our homepage is campus highlights and features. To navigate our campus, press Campus Map. Here we have Map 1, Map 2, Map 3, and Map 4. In Map 4, GSC building is located. CIT dorm for Map 3, MST building for Map 2, and RSC building for Map 1. And to navigate buildings and each floors, press navigation bar and press buildings. And for more concerns, press contact. That's all everyone. Thank you and goodbye.